everyone. So this week, the story that you'll be reading is called Fishing Bears. So the story is nonfiction. So just like last week, how you read How to Be a Nature Detective, how that was nonfiction, this story is also going to be nonfiction. So you're going to be looking, when you read, you're going to be looking for, the author is going to be giving facts and information about bears. They're going to be using real photographs of bears, and you're going to be learning all this new information that you might have already not have known about bears. So before you read the story, I'm going to do a quick little activity with you. So you know how sometimes in class we do those circle maps and we think about what we already know about something? So I want you to think about, I'll give you a couple seconds to think about what you already know about bears. So that's called background information. So what do you already know about bears? I'll give you some time to think. So go ahead and think about what do you already know. You can talk to your mom or dad, brother, sister, whoever's with you right now, and just think, what do you already know about them? Anything that you already know. It could be anything that you know about bears. Go ahead. Think, think, think. All right, wrap it up. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, awesome, guys. All right, so on this handy dandy board I have written out my very own circle map of some ideas that you may have come up with. If your idea that you came up with or ideas that you came up with aren't on the board, that's okay. Just keep them in your brain, and maybe you can write them down below in the comments and let me know what you came up with. So on our circle map right here, in the middle I wrote the word bears because that is what we are learning about this week. That's what our story is about. So my main idea is bears. Around it, I have some ideas that you may have thought of that you already know about bears. So I wrote that there's different types like brown, grizzly, polar, panda, and black, you might have said. They live in caves or dens. They hibernate, which means they sleep all winter. They can be scary to some people because they're so big. They have sharp teeth. They're mammals, which means they have fur and they're warm-blooded. They have fur. They eat fish. They hunt for their own food. And they're pretty big, so I wrote big. So you might have come up with one of these ideas on your own, and if you have more ideas, I'd love to hear them. So I'm going to put that to the side, so that just gets us thinking about what we already know about bears. So what I want you to do next is I want you to read the story. It's a video attached to this. You're going to listen to it, and then just like last week and the week before that, you're going to answer the questions about the story, just to see what you remember and know about it. I look forward to your learning this week, and I hope you learn all these new fun facts about bears. Have fun. Bye, guys.